They said, home is our comfort zone. We knew it then. We know it now. The times were tough and our patience was tested. But we managed to make the most of it somehow. This year has shown us a lot. These frontline warriors became our new superheroes. We saw our Mother Nature in a new light and whatnot. There were days when the thought of street food made us crave. But trying out new recipes with your loved ones at home is what we have embraced. Taking official meetings from the comfort of your room and playing a game of cards with your friends on Zoom. Oh God, we made these four walls our home. Oh, comfort zone. It has been an amazing journey so far. Traffic-free travel with our masks on giving us a new fresh start. Fresh start? Really? Anyhow, 2021 is almost here now, and love, comfort, good health should be our resolution, our vow. So friends, before you move on and take the coming year by storm, remember this. They said, home is our comfort zone. We knew it then. We know it now. Stay safe, take care, and have a happy new year.